Just go slow, dear Virgo. There's absolutely no need for you to have it all figured out. I know that the pace in your life is quite fast at the moment, and I do feel like we've been talking about this. The need to ground yourself is essential at the moment. And the more time and energy you give to feeling grounded and being grounded and doing activities in your life that support you to be more in your body, the better off you're going to be, right? Then it's important for you through the grounding to slow down internally. You can't change the pace of the external. What you can do, however, is bring a very calm energy into the space that you're currently in, and that will allow you access to that slower pace. It's that slower pace that allows your nervous system to relax. It's that slower pace that allows you to hear any messages that your body has for you. It's that slower pace that allows you to connect with true decisions, true solutions, and also take true actions. All of this is important for the Virgos at the moment, again, because of the external fast pace. I also get the feeling that a conversation with yourself is one that is necessary right now. And it's a conversation about, it's almost like you're picking up a part of yourself that feels really small and insignificant. It's a part of you that feels less than. And this part of you hasn't had a voice for a long time, although sometimes you kind of hear it going into tantrum in the background of your life or background of your mind. And what I'm seeing really is it's almost like if you go into your imagination and you envision yourself, first you see yourself as who you are today, and then you see a baby. That's the picture that I'm getting. And you pick this baby up and you just hold this baby. And what I want you to understand is, via the imagination, is that this baby is you. It's you as a 6-month-old baby or a 1-year-old baby, something to that effect. And I just want you to hold this baby. You don't need to say anything if you don't want to, but it's just about holding this baby with love, with kindness, and allowing the baby to feel relaxed and become soothed. And that's the only way that I can describe it, in your arms. I feel like this baby needs your love, your kindness, your energy, and your attention. And so you'd go into your imagination and you do this for as long as you need to. I'd love to hear from the Virgos, those of you who choose to do this exercise. What happened for you? What did you notice?